I always tell my sister and me, when we discuss this, Lilette and me, we always say it's for people like us who have to give it that standing theatre, which means I'm going to fight for those bucks and I'm going to fight to get money for theatre. And why not? If you can do it for a fashion show and you can do it for a cricket show, why not for theatre, which is such a potent medium?
Absolutely.
And I pay everybody, and I believe in it. And I don't believe in paying $800 to $700 a show. I believe in paying well for a show, because if they put in work,
they
deserve the money.
Absolutely.
And I have no qualms about going to the sponsor and saying, I'm not going to cut this cost.
Yeah.
You want me to cut this cost, I'll try. But this cost of the actors, I'm not going to cut it. So we've got to fight for those rights, you know, as drama people who have a passion for theatre.
If you let people sort of sell yourself cheaply, then we'll just end up doing that.
How is it going to rise?
Absolutely.
How is it going to come to that positioning, you know?
Yeah, true.
And talking about films, so I think that lot that really dedicates itself to the acting, performing arts has no other route to go to but to, you know, battle it out and join the rat race in Bombay. I just wish very much that there could be some pouring into Delhi also, because it would make life very much easier for actors here, because there they have no home, they have no, you know, they don't have the umbrella of so many things that they have here which can take care of expenses.
True.
That's one issue. Talking about otherwise, going from how is it different?
Yeah,
that is
the
theatre
experience of film
and films. I've done about 9 films so far, about 3 which have been Canadian, 2 that have been Canadian, one that has been...
You've even won an award, a Canadian award, the Gemini
yeah, I was very
Television
fortunate.
Film Award, yeah.
Sort of racing with those American and Canadian actresses and managing it.
And you've been on the theatre scene for many, many years.
Yeah, yes.
And how do you feel theatre has changed, especially in Delhi, from when you started out to today?
Theatre changed. Well, I basically
You performed as a child as well.
Yeah, but I'm not from Delhi. I'm from a small town. Well, no more a small town. It's Ludhiana, so Ludhiana is a big, big town now. It was a real small kind of a little teeny-weeny town. So when we moved, I moved to Delhi, and yes, I performed on Delhi stage, I would say from mid-80s. Mid-80s, I performed on Delhi stage. And, well, the stage, the audience has remained the same. They still look for passes. They don't want to pay for tickets. And, but one thing that was good during those days was that there was a review about the plays in all the newspapers. All plays were reviewed. All plays were reviewed, okay? So good, bad or ugly.
Now
you always looked at the newspaper and you said, oh my God, Kavita Nagpal's torn me into shreds this time. God alone knows why she's done that and all. But there was a review about each play. So you felt that people were coming. Somebody was watching.
Somebody cared.
Somebody cared. Yeah. It doesn't happen anymore.
I think that's a tragedy.
And even the press people want to come. 10 of them want to come. Pass दीजिए. है ना? अरे आप एक जना आ रहा है जो लिखने भी नहीं वाला है. तो किस लिए नहीं? Everyone wants passes. Everybody wants to walk in like that.
That's a bit of a tragedy as far as the theatre scene is concerned.
And things are getting expensive. Things are getting very expensive. Okay. We don't get sponsors easily. We don't.
But Ravi, before we take another break, because we're running out of time, would you like to sing us a duet? I know Pooja and the audience can join you.
Yeah, sure. So Pooja...
so we'll join in a few moments, but we'll leave with Ravi and Pooja singing us a duet.
So we can do, you know, this is the Hindi version of a song called Do You Love Me, where this couple, the central characters in the play who've been married for 25 years. So now when they are seeing their daughters getting married, so married for love, you know, so they are, you know, they're wondering what is this concept called love. So that's how they start singing. मुझसे प्रेम करती हो
तुमसे क्या
मुझसे प्रेम करती हो
प्रेम करती क्या लड़कियों की हो रही शादी और गांव में है कोहराम थक गए हो परेशान हो अंदर जाओ करो आराम या बदहजमी का है कमाल
गोल्डी मैं तुमसे कर रहा हूँ सवाल मुझसे प्रेम करती हो
प्रेम करती क्या मैंने बरसों तुम्हारे धोए हैं कपड़े, खाना पकाया फर्श है रगड़े, बच्चे जने हैं गौएं दूही हैं, प्रेम बिना क्या ये सब यूं ही है।
गोल्डी हमारी पहली मुलाकात थी शादी की रात, डर लग रहा था,
शर्मा रही थी,
घबरा रहा था,
रोए जा रही थी,
पर मेरे माता पिता ने बोला दिल का राज ये हम पे खोला, जीवन का यह दस्तूर, चलोगे संग तो होगा प्यार जरूर।
कहा था ठीक,
तो मुझसे प्रेम करती हो?
प्रेम करती क्या, 25 बरस तक साथ जिए हैं, झगड़े किए हैं फाके किए हैं, साथ जगे हैं साथ हैं सोए, प्रेम नहीं तो ये क्या है देवी।
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता,
लेकिन फिर भी बरसों बाद जान कर होती है खुशी।